You work in construction and you've been injured on the job and you don't know what to do. You don't know whether or not you should contact an attorney. Well, hi, my name is Nicholas Warywoda and I'm with the law office of Parker Waichman, and I can help you. A construction worker injured on the job has rights, and one of those rights is they do have the right to bring a lawsuit in certain situations. There are certain laws that are written to protect construction workers while on construction sites. And these are laws that must be followed by owners and general contractors to provide certain safety devices to these construction workers to prevent injuries on the job. We all know that construction work is a dangerous job, and there are rules to protect construction workers, and many times the owners and the contractors fail to provide the appropriate safety equipment. Let me tell you a little bit about a case that I handled involving a man who was injured on a construction site. He was working installing windows in a big construction project. They were building a big building of condos. And as part of his job was to install windows, big windows that were about 20 feet wide by 8 feet high. And this job required that he be provided with safety goggles. And unfortunately for him, he was not provided with safety goggles. So while performing his work, unfortunately for him, when he was doing his work, a piece of debris struck him in the eye, and it ended up resulting in his being blinded. Now, he came to us and we did an investigation, and we found out that the proper safety equipment, safety goggles, were not provided to him. And my client would have been fine and nothing would have happened to his eye if he had just been provided with safety goggles. So what we did is we brought a lawsuit against the owner of the premises and the general contractor at that construction site. And as a result of our lawsuit, we were able to obtain a substantial settlement over $1 million for our client. Now, hopefully I've answered some of your questions, and I'm sure you have more questions. So if you do, pick up the phone and call me at 800-800-9797. So pick up the phone, give me a call, and I'll be happy to answer any of your questions. Again, my name is Nicholas Warywoda. I'm with the law office of Parker Waichman, and thank you for watching.